Hello, my name is Jeremiah Israel, a native of Nasarawa State born in Sokoto, Nigeria. Right here, I have a project which I've been working on for the past 6 months, codenamed BrainBot. Right now, I'm going to show you how it works and the functions of the bot. Okay. Permit me to start with this. Over here, we have a deterrent, but I'm sure what runs through your mind after seeing this, you'll be like, this looks like a rocket or a weapon. Well, it may be considered by you as a weapon, but it is not. This is a deterrent for the robot. What it actually does is, in case there is someone standing in front of the robot is able to sense that there is an obstacle in its front, and that obstacle is life or has life. So, what the robot does is, the robot gives warning to the individual in his front and then telling the person to leave his front or his path. If the person refuses to leave his path, the robot then engages this deterrent and fires. And when it does that, it doesn't injure the person, it only creates a sound that scares the individual away. So that is the function of this right here. However, it can also be used by the user in case the user is in a situation whereby he or she is in trouble or is about to be robbed and really needs um, a deterrent. This can also serve. The user can also engage this and fire. That is the function of this. So again, here we have a sensor. Okay, here we have a sensor. This is the PIR sensor. And what it does is it actually works together with these sensors right here. And what it does is the robot, when you are moving in its front, the robot will be able to sense if there is an obstacle from this sensor right here. And when it senses an obstacle, what it does is it uses this PRL sensor to then check if that obstacle has life. And when it checks and discovers that that obstacle has life, then it uses it engages the deterrent over here to scare the person away. However, you must also understand that the robot, having noticed or discovered an obstacle here, if it is not a human, will not engage the deterrent. It will tell the user of the robot that there is an obstacle in its front. So basically, that is the function of this tool. Now, over here, we have a screen right here. And the screen right here is meant to provide so many functions for the user. In case the user wants to make a call, he can use this right here to make a call. In case the user wants to play some songs, the user can also play songs from here. In case the user wants to watch movies, the user can also watch movies from here. That is the function of this. Also, right here, this is the nose of the robot. This is the nose of the robot. It works hand in hand with this sensor right here. And what it does is, this is how it works. When the robot senses an inflammable gas in the environment, it then uses this sensor to check if there are individuals around. Now, if there are individuals around, it warns them, telling them that there is an inflammable gas in this environment, so everyone should please leave the environment. However, if there is no individual in that place or that environment, and there is an inflammable around, what it does is it doesn't say anything. That is the function of the robot. Lastly, the robot also provides entertainment for the user. The robot has a built-in artificial intelligence which helps the robot to engage in meaningful conversation with the user. In case the user is on the street walking and is alone and really wants to communicate with someone, the robot also provides that function. And as they keep engaging in meaningful communication, the robot learns from that interaction. So basically, that is how the robot functions, and that is how everything works. So the robot is actually multi-purpose. That is how it is. Thank you. Hello. I'm going to demonstrate the workability of the BrainBot. Right here, I have my transceiver, which I have created, and then we have a lot of functions here that we can use to control the bot. Right here, we have um, a rotary encoder, which you can use to select modes on the robot. The robot can be functioned, or can function rather, in 4 different modes. We have the sport mode, the training mode, the cruise mode, and the AI mode. So you select from here, and after selecting, you press down to lock your choice. Or you can make selections on these pads right here. So right now I'm going to take up demonstration. You can also use the joystick to control. Basically, it works only in cruise mode and artificial intelligence mode. But this can be used for the training mode and the sport mode. So right now, I'm going to power the bot on, and then we listen to what it says. Now let me point this out. You cannot put on the transceiver, or you cannot engage the transceiver in communication mode except the bot puts it on itself. So if the robot does not activate the transceiver, it will not work. So this is what will happen when we go. Right now, I'll power on my transceiver, then I put on this.
Initializing startup protocol in 3, 2, 1. Startup protocol initiated. Computer ready to initialize private radio communication with transceiver. For this process, make sure your transceiver is powered on to receive booting command. Command will be sent in 3, 2, 1. Command sent. Ready to proceed to system activation. Activating system in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. System activated. Concluding startup protocol in 3, 2, 1. Protocol completed. Computer analyzing robot. Robot ready for basic robotic functions and control. Thank you. Please note that computer can control robot in different modes. To activate any mode, just turn the knob on your transceiver and press down, or select modes on your keypad. Thank you. Computer detecting human as obstacle. You are advised to leave robot's way. Refusal to comply will result in devastating consequences. Please give way for robot to move. Thank you.
Everybody sit back, sit back.
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Target eliminated. Cannon empty. Computer requesting enemy load. Disengaging weapons. Weapons disengaged. Computer detecting human as obstacle. You are advised to leave robot's way.
Right now,
Refusal to
I'm going
comply
to select
will
mode.
result in devastating consequences. Please give way for robot to move. Thank you.
Also, I'm going to control the joystick. Or
You say nothing about my rules. Please leave me alone. Weapons engaged. Firing weapons to eliminate obstacle at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. I am fine. Thank you for asking.
How was your day today?
How was your day today?
Fine.
What's up?
Everything is fine. And you?
I am fine.
Do you know Mr. Stephen Adeshola?
Yes, he is like a father to my creator Jerry. In fact, I was created to honor him. He is also a very nice man and he is just the best.
Can you sing the national anthem?
No, I can't, but I can recite it. Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria's call obey. To serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith, the labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. To serve with heart and mind one nation bound in freedom, peace and unity.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
So, my name is Jeremiah Israel. I'm a native of Nasarawa State in the north central part of Nigeria. By implication, I am in Nigeria. I'm a high school graduate of the Industrial Training Fund Staff School, JUS. See, it was at age 10 that I started having passion for electronic works, or probably say that I discovered my gift in the field of electronics. My vision, aspiration, and ambition is to be an automobile engineer. And in this field, it has always been my dream to create an electric vehicle with a 3,000-mile range on a single charge. I believe that the essence of life is to add value to humanity. And in view of this, I have always believed I could adequately add to humanity by using my gift to solve numerous problems and challenges facing humanity. I also believe that with the making of smart vehicles, human problems can be solved significantly, such as boredom, reduction in the road, in road accidents, increase in an electric vehicle drive range, on a single charge, protection against danger, and so on. It is truism that the third world countries are technologically backward, and Nigeria is a third world country. It is also true that your institution is reputable in the world and have the technology needed to realize my dream. It is on this note that I am appealing to you for a full scholarship in order to further develop the gift in me for the good of mankind. I'll remain, grateful, ever grateful, and contribute meaningfully to the growth of your institution as I await your kind and favorable response. Thank you. I know you would like to see this robot in the making process. Therefore, I have attached a slideshow to display selected parts during and after making, which will be displayed to you shortly. Thank you.